Hello everyone, welcome to One Stop Mathematical Solutions. Today we are going to see about uncountable sets. A set A is said to be uncountable if it is not countable. Right? We have seen that countable means it will be either empty set, or it is either equivalent to the subset of n, or it will be either equivalent to the natural numbers. But not countable means it will not be empty, it will not be equivalent to the subset of natural numbers, and it will not be equal to the natural numbers also. Okay, and we say that every superset of an uncountable set is also uncountable. Okay, so if A is an uncountable set, and any set that contains A will also be uncountable, right? Okay, let us see some examples on uncountable sets. First one is the set of all real numbers from 0 to 1. Okay, this is nothing but the closed interval 0, 1. This is uncountable set. Second one, the set of all real numbers is uncountable. We have just seen that if it contains uncountable set, then the superset itself is uncountable, right? So or is uncountable. Third one is the set of all irrational numbers. That is also uncountable set. Fourth one, the set of all sequences, the sequences from n to 0, 1. This means that the sequence has only the element 0 or 1. Okay, this is also uncountable. Okay, if A is uncountable set and B is a countable set, then A by B, the difference, okay, this is uncountable. The next one, the set of all functions from R to R is uncountable set. And what about the set of all functions from Z to Z? This is also uncountable set. The last one, the derived set of an uncountable set. Derived set means the set of all limit points, right, of an uncountable set is also uncountable. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.